Hello. Okay, today I will present the result of my interview with two experienced teachers in a secondary school, and also another one is a lecturer in a university in Malaysia. This interviews is to get their views on the school cultural climate that influence academic achievement. Okay, let's we start the first slide. The first slide is about the key informants number one. The first key informant is teacher Agnes. Teacher Agnes is 35 years old. She is a biology teacher in secondary school, and she have 10 years of teaching experience. And then the number two, the key informants number two is lecturer John. Lecturer John is 63 years old. He is international business lecturer in a local university. Lecturer Jones have 8 years of teaching experience. Lecturer John had been a successful businessman for 30 years. Next, transcript, coding, and emerging term. The definition of school culture number one is unwritten rules, beliefs, and expectations make up the fabric of school culture by Petrie 2014. Number two, education, overall, quality, and character by Cohen 2009. Number three is student emotional and behavioral outcome are strongly impacted by the school climate by Brand 2008. And the number four is direct correlation between the school climates of bullying, violence, and student delinquents by Turner 2014. Then the next, student school atmosphere assessment have consistently predicted variation in success beyond individual characteristic and socioeconomic background. Positive school climate was shown to be associated with students' academic development when socioeconomic status was taken into consideration. Negative school climate has been shown to have a negative impact. The findings from Brand's investigation in 2008. First, instructor assessment of school atmosphere were linked to 8th grade student reading and arithmetic performance. Second, instructor reports of kids' achievement orientation were found in be strongly associated with student math and reading accomplishment. The third, when it comes to less dependable indicators of achievement such as grade and student academic efficacy, teachers' perception of the climate were significant predictor. And then the next slide is about qualitative data analysis. Number one is students who receive strong interpersonal bond with teachers and parents felt more connected to the school and achieved higher levels of academic achievement. Number two, individual characteristics such as student gender, grade, and parental education level, as well as institutional factors such as school size and socioeconomic status, have a substantial influence on kids' academic progress. School socioeconomic status, parental education, and grade were the three most important demographic determinants of student success. The number three is student opinions of the school atmosphere influenced their numeracy and writing performance psychological through school identity. Then the next is social, psychological, and educational study were benefits on the importance of psychology in student educational success. Social identification did not appear to have a significant impact on the relationship between staff perception of school climate and student academic performance. Academic achievement such as course grade and achievement test score are reliably linked to high level of engagement. Engagement is thought to include behavioral, emotional, and cognitive component. And then the next is key findings. The key finding is number 1, student and teachers' perspective are included in the present study's broad statewide sample of high school. Multi-thread, multi-method strategy was adopted in the current study, in which different students and teachers from each school were used to analyze various aspects of the school environment. Multi-level nature of student and teacher reporting on their school was taken into consideration using newly described multi-level technique of CTCM latent variable models. And the last is academic achievement is defined in this study as the percentage of students who graduate and successfully complete the standard for learning examination. And then the last is the conclusion. Conclusion is a school culture may be the strength through cultivating strong relationship with faculty, students, and parents in order to improve student achievement. Measuring school climate and using this assessment to focus the school goals on learning are crucial for the process of improving the academic performance of a school. So that is my present today, and that's all. Thank you.